the truth.
Hello guys, welcome back to my Roblox scripting tutorial series. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use local variables and a variable itself of making your own named variable. So let's go ahead and get started here. So what you can do is you can insert a server script to server script service. And we're going to start off with a local variable. Now, a local variable uses the term of a variable surface called local. And then you're going to name your variable to whatever you would like to name it as. So in this case, I am going to name this test, T-E-S-T. Now, I always like to make sure the very first letter of all of my variables are is a capital letter. So that way it makes your code look really nice and clean. You can really visualize and really see your word, your variable that you are printing or using in a function or in your code. So now, as you can see here, my variable is called test, and it's a part of a local variable surface. So now what you can do is you can do an equal sign. So what this stands for is that our variable that is called test is going to equal to something that will be used as a storage holder to be expressed in our coding that we're going to use to code the object, which will be in our variable. So in this case, if we were to type a number, and let's say we type the number 2, okay? So what this does is this will make a number, and our variable will be equal to the number. And the reason you want to use a local variable service is so that way it makes your coding a lot more simple, less of coding, and more efficient. So if you were to go down here, and let's say you're to print your variable, what this will do is it will print your number. Whatever your variable is equal to is what it will print, because that is what your variable will be. So for instance, now if we go to run, and I go to my output, as you can see, it printed the number 2, because that is what my variable is equal to, and that's what my variable is. So you can do this also by doing a text. So you can do is equal to the quotation marks, and you can say hello space world. And you can also do that without doing the 2 dots to represent another word and a space. You can just do hello space world. Now you can press run and output, and you can see it prints our word that we wanted it to print, which is the variable, and it's hello world. And then you can also do something like getting an object you want from your workspace and putting that as the variable and then coding the variable with that. But in this case, I'm just doing a printing way. this is pretty much it. This is how you use a local variable in Roblox scripting. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys.